Welcome to Solve It Like a Marketer. I'm Stephen Hobay. Today we'll be looking at social impact theory in consumer behavior. Don't go away. Now, this theory is all about how people respond to social influence and how this increases with certain factors. There are three factors. First one is strength. How important the influencing group of people are to you. Second one is immediacy. So how close the group is to you in both physical space and time. And the third one is numbers. So how many people are actually in that group? Let's dig further. So in 1981, there was a psychologist named Bibb Latané, and he created the idea of social impact theory. His theory suggests that individuals can be sources or targets of social influence. So if we first look at strength, again, strength simply refers to the importance of the person or source. So if the source appears to be an authority figure, then they're more likely to have greater influence on us. Now, as an example, for instance, you see an interview on TV with a well-known doctor talking about COVID-19 and the importance of staying at home. So in this case, you're more likely to listen to that advice because of their held authority. Next up, immediacy. So again, how close the group is to you in both physical space and time. Now, there are actually three forms of immediacy: physical, temporal, and social. So physical immediacy, if a source is physically close to you, the target, they're more likely to have an impact. Temporal immediacy, a target is more likely to act immediately after a source makes a request. Marketers often consider this as they build campaigns or write ads. People, if you think about it, are more likely to buy now rather than buy at some point. If you give potential customers too much time to weigh their options, they're actually less likely to act. Then the social immediacy, the target may see a reflection of themselves in the source due to, for instance, the source's race, gender, sexual orientation, or religion. And this goes back to the basic theory that we gravitate towards people who are like us. Again, finally, we have number, back to those big three. So how many people are in the group? So number is arguably the most important of the three main factors. So the best example is a person attends a work meeting and there are quite a few people also in attendance. If their views, the person's views, differ in relation to the majority, they are less likely to speak up. So what's interesting is that this theory was created in a time when social media didn't exist, but its principles can be applied quite effectively. One of the foundations of most social media platforms is that it provides connections between friends, colleagues, family, no matter how near or far they might be. It also provides enormous opportunity for many people to come together as an influencing group. Now, as marketers, it's important to be embedded in your audience's community, being a part of that online dialogue. So what I think is really interesting about a lot of the theories and marketing frameworks that I cover in my series is that no matter how they age, they're actually very applicable today. So no matter how technology, such as social media platforms, evolve, the basics of analyzing human psychology, for instance, are a constant. So much of what we do in marketing is tied to psychology, sociology, and other disciplines, and that's what makes it so exciting. We all are constantly learning and applying new techniques. Now, if you have insights on your learning journey, give me a shout in the comments section below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, hit the subscribe button. You can catch me on TikTok or Instagram. The links are below, so join the discussion. And I will see you every week with a new video. So please stay tuned, and together, let's solve it like a marketer.